Hello everyone. So I just arrived here in Istanbul airport. So upon arrival, when I removed this airplane mode, this is what happened to this mobile. So this mobile phone, I just bought this one last 3 weeks. But this is what happened. So there is some problem here. It said here, stated here, your device is locked. So I don't know what happened, guys. So this is Infinix mobile. So I will try to follow this instruction. Then I will show you if I can unlock this new mobile. Okay, guys. So just wait for a while.